Budgeting is the foundation of successful financial management, as it helps you track your income and expenses and ensures you're living within your means. By creating a budget, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more funds towards saving and investing. Saving money is crucial for achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or going on a dream vacation. We'll guide you through the essential strategies you need to know to manage your finances effectively, even if you're just starting out. In this video, we will explore personal finance education for beginners. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. Budgeting tips for beginners. We'll share some practical budgeting tips for beginners who want to take control of their finances. We'll cover the following essential steps. 1. Creating a budget. 2. Sticking to your budget. 3. Tracking your spending habits. First, let's talk about creating a budget. Budgeting is the foundation of successful financial management, and it all starts with listing your income and expenses. Divide them into categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, it's crucial to stick to your budget. One effective strategy for beginners is using cash instead of credit cards. By physically seeing and feeling the money you spend, you'll be more motivated to stick to your budget and save money along the way. Finally, track your spending habits over time using tools like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These apps help you monitor where you're spending your money and identify areas where you can cut back, such as daily coffee or lunch out. They also provide reminders for upcoming bills, ensuring you don't miss any important payments while helping you make smart decisions about your purchases. These are just a few budgeting tips for beginners who want to start managing their money more effectively. For more information and expert advice, be sure to check out resources like Forbes' articles on personal finance. Saving money for beginners. Some valuable tips on saving money for beginners, helping you build a strong financial foundation. We'll cover the following key steps. 1. Develop the habit of saving regularly. 2. Setting a budget for savings. 3. Understanding your spending triggers. 4. Seeking help and staying motivated. Make saving money a habit. Consistency is key when it comes to building your savings, so try to set aside a portion of your income regularly, even if it's just a small amount at first. Set aside a budget for savings every month and stick to it. By allocating a specific amount for savings, you'll be more likely to stay on track and achieve your financial goals. It's also essential to understand what makes you spend money. Identify your spending triggers, such as going out with friends or shopping for clothes, and find ways to avoid or reduce these temptations. This will help you maintain your savings plan and prevent overspending. Don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. There are many resources available online, like Mint or apps like Digit, which can help automate your savings. Investing for beginners. 1. What is investing? Investing is the process of putting your money into assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other financial instruments, with the hope that they will grow in value over time. The goal is to ensure your money earns more than inflation, increasing your chances of achieving your financial goals. 2. Why investing is important. Investing is important for your financial health because it allows your money to grow and work for you, helping you achieve long-term goals like retirement or buying a home. Keep in mind that investing isn't just for the wealthy. Anyone can start investing. 3. How much money you need to start investing. To begin investing successfully and safely, you don't need a large sum of money. Many investment platforms and apps allow you to start with small amounts, making it accessible for beginners. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investments. 4. Basic tips for beginner investors. Research different investment options and choose the ones that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds for a simple and cost-effective way to start investing. Invest regularly and consistently, taking advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Be patient and focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. Retirement planning for beginners. The importance of retirement planning for beginners and provide some essential tips to help you prepare for a secure financial future. We'll cover the following key points. First and foremost, start planning for your retirement early. The sooner you begin saving and investing for your future, the better off you'll be in the long run. While it may mean making some sacrifices now, such as cutting back on social outings, your future self will thank you when you're enjoying a comfortable retirement without financial worries. Next, make sure your investments are safe and reliable. This means choosing investment options that minimize the risk of losing value over time due to factors like inflation or market fluctuations. A well-diversified portfolio can help protect your retirement savings from these risks. Lastly, maintain flexibility in your investment strategy. This means being open to adjusting your investments based on changing market conditions or personal circumstances. For example, if one type of investment isn't performing well due to low interest rates, consider reallocating some of your funds to another type of investment that may offer better growth potential. By starting early, choosing safe investments, and maintaining flexibility in your investment strategy, you'll be well on your way to building a secure financial future for your retirement. Credit score tips for beginners. The importance of credit scores for beginners, and provide some essential tips to help you build and maintain a strong credit history. We'll cover the following key points. First, let's understand what credit scores are. Credit scores are a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, which helps lenders determine whether to approve you for loans, credit cards, and other types of financing. There are two main types of credit scores: FICO scores and Vantage scores. FICO scores are the most commonly used by lenders, with the FICO 8 being the standard measurement tool. Vantage scores, on the other hand, are used by lenders who want to see how you've handled different types of credit in the past. To check your credit score, visit the websites of the three major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You're entitled to one free credit report per year from each agency. Here are some tips for maintaining a good credit score. Pay your bills on time, as late payments can negatively impact your score. Keep your credit utilization ratio low by not maxing out your credit cards. Avoid applying for too many new credit accounts in a short period. Monitor your credit reports regularly for errors or signs of identity theft. Build a diverse credit history by responsibly managing different types of credit. Debt management for beginners. The importance of debt management for beginners, and provide some essential strategies to help you tackle your debts effectively. We'll cover the following key points. First, the best way to manage debt is to avoid getting into it in the first place. If you have credit cards or loans, try to pay them off as quickly as possible to prevent interest charges from accumulating and making it harder to pay back later on. If you already have debt, start paying down these balances as soon as possible. Make sure that every month's payment goes directly toward reducing the amount owed on those accounts. Focus on paying off your debt before spending money on other things. Lastly, consider debt consolidation as a strategy for managing your existing debt. This involves taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate, and often a longer term than your current loans. You can then use this new loan to pay off all of your other debts, effectively reducing the number of interest payments you make each month and allowing you to pay off your debt faster. Financial literacy for beginners. Financial literacy is a critical component of financial capability, which is essential for everyone, particularly young individuals. It's a lifelong process that begins with understanding your money and how it works, and continues with setting goals for your future financial security. There are various ways to learn financial literacy, including formal education, such as classes or workshops, on-the-job training at work or school, personal experience managing money responsibly over time, building strong relationships with trusted advisors, like family members or friends who have successfully managed their finances, self-directed learning through reading books, magazines, and websites. Being financially literate is important because it helps you make informed financial decisions and avoid costly mistakes. It also lays the groundwork for planning and managing your finances, leading to increased security in life. The bottom line. In this video, we've introduced personal finance for beginners by discussing credit score tips, debt management, and financial literacy. It's important to prioritize your financial education and continuously learn about personal finance to make sound financial decisions and achieve a secure financial future. While we've covered essential topics, we encourage you to explore additional resources or enroll in an online course to further your knowledge and ensure your financial success. Good luck on your journey to financial security. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.